Holiday spectators, so you want to know how to edit professionally with movie level graphics? Then you're in the wrong place. I'll show you how to use keyframes in the right way and make your vids watchable. At least $30 haircut. Let's not waste time like the others, so let's get to it. Ahem, let's get to it.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
Tip number 1, keyframes and easing methods. Trust me, these are going to literally be your best friend in editing, or your videos will look like this.
This could be a
So, what's a keyframe? It's the method which defines where your object is at. For example, see this white square? It will move to the other side. But how? Keyframes.
Stop it!
You can also make the image that you are using to rotate your object. There is also easing methods, which gives the easing a little bit more pizzazz. You get what I mean? For example, ease in, which goes slow at the start, but quickly picks up the pace over time. It's morely used with Baidano, since it gives his characters more flashiness. It's also paired with the next basic easing method, ease out. It's literally just the opposite of ease in, going fast at the start then slows down over time. There was some Pikachu plush ranking dude who's addicted to ease out, but I forgot his name. That's it for part 1. Hopefully this pretty bad tutorial finds you. Also please make sure to subscribe to the channel. You can join my Discord in the link in the description to input your ideas since I am pretty free right now, or post fan art which could have a chance to be featured in my future uploads. Gotta go. I'll see you guys soon, bye.